Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. You know what, guys? I found a very simple way of practicing English speaking. Trust me on this. This is very interesting. This is very creative. This is very innovative. It's very new and it's fun. Yes, you will enjoy while practicing English speaking, and you will not even realize that you are practicing English speaking. Trust me on this. It's that interesting and that entertaining. I've also found this very recently, and I've also realized that yes, this is the best way to start speaking in English, or this is the best way to practice English speaking. Even I do it every single day, and you will be surprised to know about it. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now, we all want to practice English speaking, but it gets very boring at time to practice this, right? We just get fed up with practicing English speaking the same way. We don't get ideas, we don't get topics, we don't know what to talk about, right? And we feel that it is the same thing every day we are doing. So everyone wants to try something new. And this is the best way to try something new, guys. It is a very good method of practicing English speaking. You will enjoy, you will get entertained, and you will become confident and fluent in speaking in English as well. So how do we do this? Let's talk about it. So I'll give you a background first. We all have some hobbies, right? We all are interested in something or the other. Some people are movie buffs. So what we do is we generally, go to YouTube or any other platforms to know about the movie reviews. We do it, right? I also do it. So I want to know the movie review. If it is good, then I go and watch the movie. If it is not, then okay, if it comes on Netflix or anywhere else, Amazon Prime or on YouTube, I can watch that, right? So that is why we listen to movie reviews also. So we are a movie buff, we look for movie reviews. We love sports. What do? We listen to commentaries, right? We listen to commentaries or any sports news where we get information, or we listen to any players interview, or related to sports. We listen to a lot of stuffs. Okay, another thing, if we are interested in cooking, we watch a lot of cooking videos every single day, and whenever we get time, we try also, right? Okay, now if we love traveling, we do watch travel vlogs. If we are foodie, we do watch food vlogs. If we are health conscious, we do watch vlogs related to health as well, health, lifestyles, or we listen to doctors, we listen to a lot of podcasts, right? We do it, and we are interested in that. If we have a certain hobby like gardening or anything else, we listen to those videos also, we listen to those vlogs as well, right? So we do it every single day, every time we do it. We do listen to a lot of stuffs which we are interested in knowing or learning, right? Now, I have a very good idea. If we watch all these things, it's well and good. Why can't we replicate it? Why can't we imitate it? Why can't we start vlogging on our own to practice English speaking? Isn't it a good idea? Or rather a great idea? Yes, of course. So next time when you're watching any food vlog or any cooking show or any travel vlog or any sports news or anything which you like, which you are interested in knowing, which you're interested in learning, what you do is after watching that, Switch on your camera or your video camera rather and start talking about it. What you have just seen or what you have just learned. So just talk about it, what you have learned right now from them, what you have heard, right? Now, another important thing. Here what you can do is you can just imitate that person. The hand movements, the body movements, how they speak, what do they include, everything you have to focus on. You have to watch it very carefully and just try to imitate that person or try to copy them. The way they speak, the things they talk about. But yes, it has to be in English. So guys, it's not difficult at all. Food vlogs or any vloggers, there are lots of such vlogs which are in English as well. People do make videos in English as well, whether it is a cooking show or a food vlog or a travel vlog or any other vlog, right? People do speak in English. There are lots of videos available in English as well. Start watching them and start replicating them, start imitating them, start copying them, start vlogging in that way. Now here I'll give you some examples so that it's easier for you to understand and start doing it. The first thing you can do is whenever you are having your breakfast, lunch and dinner or any snack, anytime, right? You can talk about your meal, your food. What does vloggers do? Food vloggers. They do go to any restaurant or any place and they eat that food and they describe it. They talk about it. They review that food, right? So you have listened to a lot of videos, a lot of such videos. Why can't you do it? Start. Initially, you will be a little camera shy. You will not be able to put your thoughts into words. You will not be able to describe it properly. But then you will learn. You will learn with your experience. You will learn from your experience basically, from others' experience whom you are listening to. Okay, start doing it. It's for your own good. Okay, so start with this. Describe your meal, describe your thali, describe your food. For example, I had poha and tea for breakfast. How do I describe that? Well, today I wanted to have something simple and nutritious. So I thought of having a poha for breakfast. But this is not a normal poha. It has all the veggies in it. So I have put capsicum, onions, tomatoes, peas, coriander leaves, etc. I have included all the veggies and boiled corn as well in the poha to make it more nutritious and healthy. It's cooked in very minimum oil and it tastes delicious. I don't use much spices in a poha, so it's very simple yet very delicious. I love having poha with a cup of tea. The tea is also very good. It's a cardamom tea and it smells so good and refreshing. And honestly, I love this breakfast. I can have this 3 days a week. Okay, so this is how I describe my breakfast. You can also talk about it. You can just say my mom cooked my breakfast or whoever, whatever. You can just add as many things as you can in that. Just switch on your video cam and talk to the camera. Now, how it will help, I am going to tell you later. So this is how you can talk about your food. Okay, every single day, one meal a day you can select and you can just talk about it. Okay, and you can record it. Next thing what you can talk about is, as I told you, before going to bed, you can talk about your day. So while talking about your day, you can just switch on your video camera and you can just look at the camera and talk about it. It's as simple as that. So you can talk about your day looking at the camera, or you can record it. You can video record it. Basically, you can vlog it. Okay, so this is another topic which you can talk about while vlogging. Third is, we listen to a lot of videos every day, right? So whatever interest or hobbies you have, if you have just listened to a sports commentary or you have heard any interview of any sports person, you can just talk about it in your video cam, or any new thing you have discovered or you have learned, right, related to your hobby, interest or anything else. You can just talk about it. You can take a topic and you can just start discussing about it in your own way. Okay, or you can copy that person. You can start imitating that person, how that person has spoken in the video. He has traveled to some destination and he has talked about that place. Try to imitate him or her. Try to talk about that place which you have heard. Okay, so it can be your style as well. You can copy that person's style as well. It's your choice completely. Now, how this will help you? This will help you in many ways. First thing is, you'll get to know what to talk about. You'll get an idea because you have a reference. You'll get an idea of what that person has spoken about in that video, so that you can take some points, you can add some of yours and you can speak on it. So you'll get a lot of ideas on how to speak on that topic or about that topic. Okay, second is, of course, you'll get a topic as well. You don't have to think about the topic. Third thing is, when you're video recording it, everything will be captured. Your body movement, your hands movement, your facial expressions, your confidence, everything will be captured, right? The way you speak. So when you listen to it, you'll get to know what mistakes you're making in your body language, in your expressions, in your speech. Everything you'll get to know, and what you need to improve on. So this is the most important thing which you'll get to know if you start vlogging today. So if you want to improve your English, if you want to practice English speaking in the best way possible to get results or immediate results, start doing this. Start vlogging. Start video recording your speeches. Start video recording whatever you want to talk about. Okay, so start doing this. If you have been to a place, come back and describe that place. We all go to eat at restaurants or hotels or small stalls. We do that. We can come back and just talk about it. How it felt, how was the food, how was the ambience, how was the people, staff. Right? A lot of things we can talk about. So just keep in mind these things and start talking about it by video recording it. It is going to help you a lot in improving yourself. You will be your teacher. You will not need any help from outside. It will be easier for you to understand your mistakes and you will improve on it. So it is very useful, guys. Try doing this for at least a month to see the difference. And it's all about your interest, your hobbies and things you like. If you like to review a movie, you can just talk about it. You've heard some movie reviews. You can just talk about it, what the person said. Or if you've just watched a movie and come back, you can just speak about it. Saturdays, Sundays, we feel very lazy and we do watch movies on Netflix and other channels or platforms. Why can't take 10 minutes out to shoot a video on what we have seen? How was the movie? Just reviewing that movie. Not a bad idea, guys. It's a great idea. Start doing it, start implementing it, and you will see a lot of difference in your confidence, in your fluency, and in your communication skills. For sure. Because you're looking at the camera, which means you're looking at somebody, right? And you're talking. I used to practice this in front of the mirror because I didn't have the video camera at that time, like in a mobile. So I didn't have that. I used to practice in front of the mirror. That really helped me, and that is why I've just thought of video recording it or coming up with a vlog. Every single day you can come up with one vlog, and once you are camera friendly, once you are comfortable speaking in English, describing things, you never know, you can start a YouTube channel as well on any topic you wish, and you can start earning later. Isn't it a great idea? I think so. What about you? Well, if you think this is a great idea, start doing it from today, right now. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.